Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on your profile's public visibility on your LinkedIn app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. So all you have to do, just go up, you will click here on this picture here, then it's going to show for you a window like this, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you like this. You click here on visibility, and you come to a next window here, just click here on edit your public profile. Then you come to a next window here, you just go down here, then you come here to your profile's public visibility. Here you will click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us now, that's mean your profile's public visibility it's on now. I wish know you agree, that's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.